Babe, how far now?
Yeah,
I hardly see you now, babe.
Amanda, is this you? I'm sorry. Don't blame me. I've been running around for assignments
Just take
and
it.
all of that. You know now.
Yeah, I know how it goes, but just take it easy on yourself. You know me now. As the hottest chick in campus.
I know
I
now.
always have my way around.
I know now. Is it not you, Amanda?
No.
The
No.
only queen. The only girl on campus. But you know now, I still have to do my own. So, babe, how's this Christmas going to look like?
Hey, really? This Christmas is going to be something else. As in, next target.
Really?
Yeah.
Next target?
Yes.
You don't mean it?
I have to
So
eat the
tell
target.
me about this next target.
Yes, so Chief must buy me a new Jeep.
Wow.
Yes.
Did you say Jeep?
Yes, a new Jeep.
Hey, Manda baby. Manda baby.
Yeah.
So, you mean Jeep?
Yes.
Jeep.
The next target.
I trust you. I know you get it.
You know, Chief does not mind getting anything I want for him.
Really?
You know, I'm the only girl in his life.
Wow. That's awesome.
I'm telling you, by the time I get on campus, January, Anita is going to hear of me.
I know Anita and her crew. Those jealous idiots.
Not even that. You know, 2018, I don't want pollution. She shouldn't come and be polluting the campus.
You can say that
her,
again.
whatever she
Babe,
calls it.
You can say that again. We don't need any more pollution in that campus. Year 2018. I trust you. I know what you can do now. Oh, babe. How about your guy? What are you going to tell him?
My fiancé.
What will you tell him about these targets?
It's not a big deal. Just leave that to me. Is it too difficult? I could just tell him my cousin in the US sent me the gym, and that's it. Cooking
Amanda, always on point.
Can say it again.
I trust you.
On campus.
I know. By the time you get that, babe, may this 2018 there will not be pollution in that campus again.
No more pollution.
I know what you can do.
I like that.
But babe, now you and your guy are preparing for your wedding. After wedding, will you still be going out with this chief?
You know, it's not so easy. He has been there before I even met my guy. But it's not a problem. When I get to that stage, I'm going to cross it. Look at me from up to down. Do I look like a learner?
I trust you, but babe, you just need to be careful with this chief. After marriage, you should. For me, I just think you should just,
just leave that to me. After marriage, trust me, I won't want to have anything to do with
you again now, Amanda.
But you know, I love my fiance.
I know. I just hope this whole thing should not crash. You understand? So that you not look both sides. That's what I'm saying. Just take it easy as a friend now.
Babe. It seems I'm running late. It's 2 p.m. already.
So where are you heading this time?
I have to go and meet Chidi. You know, I have to
your
borrow his
fiancé.
car. Yeah?
You mean that it's pure water?
Yeah. The pure water has been saving life. What do you expect?
Yeah.
I need to see Chief. You know now, the next target him.
Hey, next target. Hey, baby.
All about it.
Yes,
next target.
Baby. I trust you. Just go and be careful.
I've been telling him about this idea.
Yeah.
I'm sure it could be the surprise I've been waiting for.
Oh my God, babe, I can't wait for you to call me.
My Nunu.
We need to go and cruise the campus. In fact, when the cars arrive, babe, we're going to club all day. I trust you now. I know what you can do. I know you have plans already.
Just save the breath for later. So I have to run along now.
Okay.
You know, I have to meet up with Chief too.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
About this next target, baby.
When I arrive campus January, Anita will hear.
I know now. They will park where they will give you chance. See those they are forming all about. That's going to end by the time you enter the campus with this your new car.
No.
Baby. Yeah.
Alright, now. Baby.
Alright.
See you.
Please call me.
Yeah, sure.
Don't forget to call me, okay? Give me the news. Don't forget. Alright, bye.
Babe, are you sure you'll be back on time?
Trust me. Close your eyes. Open it and I'm here. Yeah.
You know, the last time I gave you my car, I almost missed a very important appointment.
Come on, babe.
I almost missed a very important appointment.
Ay, come on, babe. That was a different case entirely the last time. Yeah, I had a flat tire coupled with the odor. That was why I was late.
Yeah.
Just trust me this time around. I have to submit my assignment to my HOD before 4 p.m. Today is the final day of submission.
You know, we have an appointment with the pastor at 4 p.m.
I know.
That's going to wed us.
I know. I'll be fastest rocket, babe.
Are you sure?
I'll be fastest
No,
rocket.
we
So
must
please.
not meet this appointment. It's
So
very
please,
important.
the car key. Oh, babe, please. I have to go, you know.
But you know, this appointment is very important.
Of course, I
I
know. I'll be fastest rocket. The car key.
Are you sure you'll be back on time,
I
babe?
will be back on time. Thank
But
you.
yeah, but please make sure you are back on time. I'll be here waiting for you, okay?
I'll be fastest rocket.
I trust you.
Thank
I
you.
trust you. That's my babe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, babe. Just be good. Take care of
I
yourself.
will do that. Take care of yourself also.
Sure. I'll be
Bye.
faster. Yeah, babe.
Bye.
I think, well, what? 1 hour already and this girl is not here yet. Maybe I don't think I will continue with him. I have to do something.
She. Oh.
Amanda, my baby. Betty, why do you keep me waiting the whole time?
Oh, shit. No, I'm not like this. I'm sorry.
The whole chief, I don't go like me sitting down here. I'm just waiting for you.
I have to go borrow my brother's car so I could get to you faster.
That pure water? You mean you came with that pure water again?
Chief, you know it, but that pure water has been
Hey,
saved.
what Chief Arego, you are coming to visit me with the pure water. I've warned you before
Chief.
to stop visiting me with that pure water.
I told you before, Chief. You know I told you.
You mean your brother is the owner of that pure water you came with? I have warned you several times to stop coming to me with that pure water. It doesn't befit you.
That is why I've been begging you to get me this gym.
It doesn't befit you.
Chief.
Huh?
Cool your temper.
You know you're my baby.
Yes. This is why I've been begging you for that gym. Chief. This is why I've been begging for this sports car from you.
Don't worry.
You know, very soon, my brother will soon collect his I'll be using my leg at this bench to walk. And you know that doesn't befit.
Don't worry.
Look at me. Take a look at me. As beautiful as I am. You're not a big girl.
Yeah.
You know?
Anyway, I think I have a surprise for you.
Really?
Yeah, trust me.
Tell me. What's that?
First of all, you know I'm Chifarego,
Yes.
one of Igbo.
I know.
Do you really know that?
Yes.
So, I have told you several times, if you are coming to meet me anywhere,
She.
but notwithstanding, you should stop coming to me with that pure water. Yeah?
Even my brother, he will soon take this from me. I'll be using my leg at this bed to walk around.
Anyway, don't worry. I think I have a big surprise for you.
Really, Shay? Tell me what's that surprise. Wait. Maybe
Yes.
to that.
I will.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, baby.
Tell me, Shay, tell me.
Yes. I want to show you that I'm the only Chief Arego. One of Igboland. Guru.
Yeah.
Don't worry, my baby.
Okay.
Like
You
I
know
said
what?
before. Yes.
I think you need this. There's this title they forgot to give to you. A name, so a co, a name one. Because if you talk, you do. You talk and do. You know when you say it, you
It's
do.
like you have just given me another extra title. Chief Arego, one of Igboland, the elegance talk and do. Anyway, you know what? Before we continue, just let them serve you what you want to drink or eat before we go.
Waiter.
Madam, please, just
Waiter.
feel free and make yourself comfortable.
Well, you know you have to pay me for this new title again.
Of course. Like I said, you have a surprise.
Oh, I can't wait.
It's
Tell me what
a
the
very
surprise-
good surprise.
Yeah, but then I think
I will.
I have to. Maybe you should drink to this. Yeah.
Amaka, my baby.
That is why you're my sheep. My one and only sheep.
Yes. Yeah, you know what?
Tell me, sheep.
Baby, I told you several times you don't have to worry. Abatala me ego.
Yeah.
Yeah? I have made money till an extent that my shell, you know, the chief of my land,
Yeah.
my community, gave me that Chief Arego which you are calling me now. And you are topping up that title with talk and do again. That is double title. Double honor.
You know what?
So,
I don't know why this waiter is not coming. I don't know. I'm exhausted.
Madam, I think we need you here. Amanda, my baby, don't worry.
Hello, Chichi.
I'm so thrilled.
Yes, so I'm the
How
one.
is the good business?
We thank God.
Yes,
The
yes.
business is flourishing.
Yeah, okay.
We are doing
I can
good.
see, I can see.
Oh, I'm
Yes.
happy to see you.
How is everything?
We are.
Are you
thank
okay?
God. We are fine.
Okay, that's good. Please.
Why did you keep me waiting?
Oh,
Don't worry,
sorry.
don't worry.
You know my guest. There was a little bit complication.
Okay,
something.
whatever.
Sorry.
Well,
Sorry.
get with my usual.
Yeah?
It's for you or she.
Don't worry.
You know I will not allow
Yeah,
you
of
to
course.
Chief Arego, do you care for something else again?
Something you should know. Just replace.
Chief.
Just replace. Don't have to worry. Free yourself. Oh, if you only go, you know that name. Maybe you don't know. Me.
Chief Arego, wow.
Madam so trained.
Chief.
Train and train. You know. Eh?
Chief Arego.
Thank you.
Well done.
Yes.
Enjoy yourself, Coach.
Why not? You too. Hey, come. Take also something for yourself.
Oh, Chief
For yourself. Special.
Chichi.
Just for yourself. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes, you're
Let me
welcome.
take mine.
Please do that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Do that and you let me have the bill, eh?
Chief,
No problem.
Chief,
Yeah, sure. There you are. I hope this is special for you. You know what? Look at what I just found out. Ha! Mango kiss. Another one. This side. So
Wait.
Yes.
I mean mango kiss.
Mango kiss.
Okay, now you're kissing now. Again.
Another mango. That is the mango kiss just for you. So I'm happy that you really showed up. The only problem I have with you is that pure water. Because what do you think if my colleagues are here and they see you coming to see me, they go Chifarego like they hold me Chifarego, my baby is coming with pure water. What do you think they will tell me? The only problem I have is not about the surprise, it's about the condition. What I'm just telling you now and what I said before.
You know you're my one and only. I don't have any other person aside you, Ship. You know that.
That is exactly what I want to know. Are you sure? Nobody on the service. Nobody. I'm the only one in service.
Nobody is
baby.
aside you.
Now have it. If it's so, it's okay. That's good. No problem. So let's cherry. Let's cherry. Yes. Let's cherish this kiss. If it is. Yeah. Where is your glass? Give me your glass, baby. Show me the glass. Show me the glass. Okay. So
why are we toasting for? I just want to see the surprise.
It's not a problem. The surprise is here. The surprise is here.
I think I know what to do to you. So, are you ready to show me the surprise?
Ami, baby, you know your way. First of all, you know what? Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Okay.
I have a surprise for you. Is your eyes closed?
Yeah, my eyes are closed.
That's very good. So, you have to be opening it little by little.
Okay.
Little by little. Give me your right hand. The right hand. That is it. No, stop.
You're the best.
Yes.
That's why I love you.
Yes.
I know you.
Hey, don't open yet. Don't open. Second time. Promise me that nobody is servicing the engine.
Trust me, there's no one servicing.
Nobody. I'm the only one in service.
Of course.
Are you sure?
Why shall I lie?
Open it. Open it if you speak that.
Oh my God! This is
Yes. Don't worry. Yes.
I know you will do
That
it.
is the key.
Oh my God.
Do you know what it is?
Of course, babe. My latest Nunu.
So that is the key to the newest
Oh my God.
Range Rover Jeep
Let's cheers to this shit.
2018 model.
And name May one.
Where is it? You open it? Yeah, that's it. Stop. Good. Now, this is the key to your latest Range Rover Jeep Evoque 2018. As a matter of fact, you can find it outside parked just by the corner. That's for you.
You're the best.
For you. For you and for only my only baby.
Oh. You know what?
Yes.
We have to share to this.
Yes, please.
Come on.
The only problem we have in all this, all what we have, trust. If I cannot trust you, then I will not have gone that far to let you have a beautiful car.
What's really keeping this big? What's keeping big? What's the problem? I must not miss this. I must not miss this appointment. Oh my God! Wow! Look at time. I'm running out of time now. Oh, what do I do now? What do I do? Hello, Joe.
Yeah, guy. Where you there now?
No, I didn't look now. For up.
Yeah, Lugna City.
Yeah. Where are you?
Come to Soul Train restaurant right now. I see your babe romancing one old man like that.
Where? I'm here waiting for my babe. I gave her my car. She took my car. She says she have a very important appointment with the lecturer in the school. Yeah, the HOD. Yeah.
Yeah, what your babe now?
Are you sure? Are you sure it's my baby son?
Yeah, Amanda, your babe. You know what? Yeah, she's romancing one old fool man. One old fool here. In front of me.
What?
Come now. Soul Train restaurant.
Yeah, Soul Train restaurant, yeah. Okay, please, do me a favor. Please just wait for me. Stay there and wait for me. I'll be on my way right away. I'll be coming there right away. Please, hold on. Please, I'll be coming there. Okay.
Okay.
Bye. I'll be coming there, okay? I'll be coming there.
We will do it there. Yeah, but then. We are going to do it there. Please, you know the man.
One thing with chief, you know. Oh, yeah, it's not like all these Gamalin chief. Oh, Guamu chief. Yes, you can do that. But you know what? Anytime, any day, I don't want to see boys inside that car. Otherwise, you will lose it. No boys, promise.
Yeah, of course, I promise.
Your phone is ringing.
Okay, tell me.
Who is calling you? Well, who is calling you?
Who is my brother?
Your brother is calling you.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know.
Yes. The pure water brother. The one that wants that pure water.
Oh, there you go again.
But you know what? If it's your brother, then why don't you talk to him? Talk to him. You are free. Talk to your brother.
That wouldn't be necessary. Chief.
Well, if you say so. I'm not stopping you from talking to your brother. I'm stopping you from talking to all those mushroom boys only. Although, because for me, it's not a problem if you talk to your brother. So you can talk to your brother. Okay? It's not a problem. Yes. Anyhow, you can enjoy your.
Amanda! So this is true. What are you doing here? So this is your campus where you're submitting your assignment?
But it's not what you think.
What am I thinking?
But I just have to calm down. I'm doing this for fun.
Who is this guy?
This is your lecturer?
Is that your brother you told me about? The owner of that pure water? This is the brother with the pure water? Give him the.
This is your lecturer and you even calls him babe. In my presence.
I just told you.
He calls you baby. I heard you calling you baby. In my presence. In my presence.
I just told you I went to my HOD's office. It wasn't there, so.
And this is your HOD?
Yeah.
That this is your HOD?
I have to submit the
After all I've done for you, giving my khaki, spending my time and my money on you, you think you just calibrate with this old fool? I'm totally disappointed in you.
You don't have to do this. I'm doing it for us.
For us, you said?
You know how far we've gone in this whole thing.
For us, you said?
Hey,
my friend, take it easy, okay?
Will you keep quiet, you old fool? Will you keep quiet?
It's not what you
This is my baby, my supposed baby that I was supposed to take to the pastor for our marriage plan that's coming up very soon.
Whatever be the case.
What are you doing with this man? Old fool.
I have to submit my assignment.
To him, of course.
You know how it goes on campus.
Yes, I know how it goes with sugar daddies. Oh yes. Are you short? You are short and kojak. This is your sugar daddy. Listen. You think I'm stupid? And you took my car? I'll spend my time on you. I'll spend my money and you took. Can I get my khaki?
If
Then what is this? If you don't give him the key, let's.
Will you keep quiet, you old fool? This is my babe. We're supposed to meet the pastor in some few hours time in preparation for our marriage.
Marriage?
Yes.
Something is wrong.
Yes, nothing is wrong.
Is this your brother?
And you told me you're going for your campus.
Who is this guy?
To meet your lecturer for your to submit your so-called assignment.
Is the guy that is calling me fool?
Hello? Please, I need my car key.
Baby, please, you don't have to do this.
I need the car key right now.
Baby, go ahead.
As far as I'm concerned, this wedding is hereby dissolved. I need my car key.
Hey, babe, we can dissolve this whole thing.
Get your hand off me, your feet hand off me.
Yeah.
Get your feet hand off me. I need my car key. This wedding is hereby dissolved. You this old fool calibrating with my baby.
We would go through a lot.
Do you realize that?
You just can't dissolve it like that.
Do you realize that?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It is the devil's handwork.
Devil you said?
Yes.
The devil you said? Can I get my car key? Please can I get my car key? This wedding is hereby abrogated. I don't need you anymore.
Don't do that.
I'm doing it already.
Please.
You can go ahead with this old fool. This kind of work.
So, I will get back to you. So it's not. Anyhow, okay? Yeah. Amanda, you told me that boy is your brother, the owner of the pure water we're talking about. And now, he's even calling me a chief like me. He's calling me a fool. Chief Arego, one of Igbo land. He's not afraid. Anyway, and you have the impetus to lie for me, telling me that your boyfriend, who is calling you right here in my presence, baby, telling you about the cancellation of the marriage. So you propose to marry him. You know what? That is okay.
Anymore.
It's okay, Amanda.
That was there.
Thank you very much, Amanda. You know what? I think I have had enough. Where is the car key? Give me the car key. The key I gave you right now, give it back. Give me back the key.
But you see the
Can I have the key?
wedding plus has been cancelled.
We can talk about that later. At the moment, Amanda. Yes, Amanda, please. I understand. Take it easy, relax. But you know what? Give me the key, then we talk about it.
Yeah, we can talk about it. Just
in my hand, the key.
No,
please, in my hand. If you could have that mind, lying to a whole chief like me, do you know who you are talking with? You are talking to a chief Arego, one of Igbo land. People fears me, people respect me. And you did not fear me, you lied to me. So it is okay. But give me, first of all, can I have the key? We talk about that later.
But you should have left.
That is the key. That's very good. Thank you very much. You know what? By the time I finish with you, I will now face the small boy who was calling me a fool. He doesn't know me. So anyway, sit down. Let me go. Okay? No. I will not take that. I will take that. Okay, Amanda. It's okay. Tell your lover. Tell your lover that I'm coming to him. And I think I'm not even done with you. Prepare all the gifts. If you know what you have in your house that I bought for you, prepare all of them and coming to your house to take all of them away. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much, Amanda.
Oh my God! Where do I start from? I don't know where to start from. I can't believe it's happening to me. Oh God, where do I start from? I don't even have any money on me. I was thinking he was going to give me money alongside. Oh God, I just can't believe it's happening to me.
Amanda, baby, where are you going to? Sit down, please. I need my money. No chief did not pay for the one he bought. I need my money. Oh yeah.
I don't understand.
When we are following two men, when they say you don't understand. My money, Egom. Are you hearing? I need my money. Biko. Son, get it. When you are running around following two men, you don't have money. If you don't have the money, please. In fact, let me start collecting your things. Give me your watch.
You can't take my wallet from me.
You want me to call my guest to come and naked you here? Trust Madam Tito. I will just take it.
Anything from you. What is your own?
Are you crying? When you are running around following two men, pium pium pium, you don't even concern me. Give me my money, Because you make them now. In about one, give me my money.
I do not have any money.
What's in it? If you don't have any money, please put your watch. I'm collecting everything. If not, I will call my guest to come and deal with you now. Your watch and your tablet, I'm taking out. What did you learn nowadays? You cannot stay with one man. Don't just try Madam So. I'll just deal with you here.
I don't even know what to do. Where do I start from? How come two things happen to me at the same time? I'm finished! I'm finished!